How to change your Uber driver profile picture. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Misnath, and today I'll guide you or explain you on how you can change your Uber driver profile picture. Now, if you want to do it on the Uber application, you can simply head into account and then head into view account and go ahead and tap on edit account and change your profile picture there. However, if you are a driver and now you want to change it, what you'll have to do is, now with a driver account you must go through the driver application to change the profile photo. This applies if you ever created a driver account even if it was never activated. Your profile photo must be approved before it appears on your account. So first it has to be approved and then you will be able to set it up. As you can see on the screen, it will ask you for your profile photo, driving license, vehicle insurance and such. Now unfortunately it doesn't give you an option to change it again unless you contact the customer support. So you'll have to contact the customer support through the application and you might be able to change it. So this way you can change your profile picture on the Uber driver. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.